Not fireworks, not lightnings, missiles. Long streaks of fire cutting across the dark sky of the Middle East. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, the camera caught everything. Welcome to Times XP, and a shocking video is now circulating online that appears to show missiles flying over Iraq. That's right, Iraq. Bright streaks slicing through the sky, moving low and incredibly fast. For a few seconds, there is only silence. And then there is explosion. Well, reports say that the strikes they were aimed inside Iran. The footage was reportedly recorded just before the sunrise when most of the cities they were still asleep. All of a sudden the quiet sky turned into a battlefield of light and fire. In the meantime, the witnesses say that the objects seen in the video looked like military strike missiles. They appeared suddenly on the horizon and raced across the sky in seconds. Soon after, reports of explosion began coming from inside Iran. And then there is a dramatic claim from Israel. Israeli officials said that the attack was part of a joint military operation with the United States. According to reports, the operation was given a very powerful name: Lion's Roar. That's right. You know what this particular name itself suggests? An intention here. A loud and unmistakable warning. Early reports say that the strikes targeted locations linked to Iran's military network, including the possible missile infrastructure and their strategic facilities as well. But you know what? The impact of the strike, it did not stop inside Iran. The missiles appearing over Iraqi skies created immediate alarm across the region. Within hours, authorities in Iraq they took a drastic step. They shut down the country's airspace. That's right, that's a very clever move in geopolitics, by the way. Civilian flights they were suddenly halted. One of the region's busiest airport, Erbil International Airport, suspended the operation. Aircraft that were already flying nearby had to divert or change the routes. Flight tracking the map soon showed a very chaotic pattern. Well, commercial planes that usually pass through the Middle East began avoiding large part of the sky. In fact, the pilots they were forced to take longer routes as airlines rushed to keep the passengers safe. And you know what? In the end, all of this signals something bigger than just one military strike. The strike above the Middle East are becoming increasingly tense as the confrontation involving Iran, Israel, and the US is now intensifying. Well, military moments they are increasing. Air defenses are on high alert. Warships and aircraft they are being positioned across the entire region. And now missiles have crossed the international airspace. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, a single video it is showing the streaks of light over Iraq that may now represent a dangerous turning point in the crisis. Because when countries start closing their skies, when the countries start moving towards the missile, it means the region may be preparing for something much bigger, probably a bigger confrontation. The biggest question now there is how will Iran and the US they will actually get through? Will there be diplomacy or will there be another confrontation after the exchange of missiles? Well, only time will tell.